Ready? Exercise number 16, legal matter, very important matter for exam purpose, which contains 800 words. Start. Detailed counter affidavit has been filed by Nagar Nigam as well as Allahabad Development Authority. In the counter affidavit filed by Nagar Nigam, it has been stated that total 277.42 acres of land was acquired under the Land Acquisition Act 1894, and notification under Section 6 was issued on 11/9/1915. 204.07 acres of land of Jahangirabad was acquired for sewage farm for drainage of Allahabad municipality. It is further pleaded that in the year 1942, after resolution of the municipal board, above mentioned 6 plots were given on short-term allotment to the petitioner's father. Copy of the compromise in suit number 65 of 1958 dated 31/10/1958 has been brought on record as Annexure 10 to the counter affidavit. It is claimed that subsequently for further 5 years a settlement was made by the resolution dated 12/10/1965, but thereafter it was not extended. It is claimed that Nagar Nigam transferred the possession to the Allahabad Development Authority on 25/2/2005. Details of writ petition filed in the year 2006 claiming mandamus that petitioners be not dispossessed and dismissal of the writ petitions on 23/3/2006. Thereafter, dismissal of the special leave petition, filing of suit by several occupants, grant of interim injunction, setting aside the interim injunction by the appellate court, and dismissal of the writ petition number 47111 of 2006 have been pleaded. Copy of the judgment of the High Court in writ petition number 47111 of 2006 dated 11/3/2008 has been filed as Annexure 7 to the counter affidavit, which order was also affirmed by the Apex Court on 11/7/2008. Reliance has also been placed on earlier judgment of the division bench of this court in special appeal numbers 899 of 1969 and 900 of 1969 decided on 24/7/1973. Nagar Mahapalika Allahabad versus Amarpal Singh, copy of which has been filed as Annexure 15 to the counter affidavit filed on behalf of respondent number 2, Allahabad Development Authority, has also filed detailed counter affidavit. It is claimed by Allahabad Development Authority that decision was taken to transfer the land on 24/2/2005, in pursuance of which possession was taken by Allahabad Development Authority on 25/2/2005. Copy of the possession memo has been brought on record. It is further submitted that the petitioners did not become hereditary tenant under subsection 2 of section 180 by virtue of section 30 of the UP Tenancy Act. Copy of the order of the state government dated 31/12/2008 informing Nagar Ayukt that the state government has no objection for transferring the 45 hectares of land in favor of Allahabad Development Authority. Copy of the plaints and application filed for injunction written statement in suit number 483 of 2006 and 485 of 2006 have been filed along with counter affidavit. It has been stated that attempt of other co-tenants to obtain order from this court having failed, which orders were affirmed up to the Apex Court, sued by other tenure holders for injunction was filed, in which also interim injunction was rejected, which order was affirmed up to the Apex Court. The writ petition filed by the petitioners should be dismissed on the ground that the petitioners may also establish their right by filing suit in the trial court. Sri K.R. Sirohi, learned counsel for the petitioners in support of the writ petition, contended that petitioners cannot be dispossessed from the land in dispute without payment of adequate compensation. Learned counsel for the petitioners has placed reliance on Articles 31A and 300A of the Constitution of India. It is submitted that state cannot acquire the land without giving adequate compensation to the petitioners at the rate of market value because the land is in personal cultivation of the petitioners. It is further submitted that period of lease given in favor of the petitioner's father having been expired, the respondents ought to have instituted a suit before the competent court, and no suit having been instituted, the rights of respondents have extinguished as prescribed under Section 27 of the Limitation Act. It is submitted that the petitioners who are in possession cannot be dispossessed. It is further submitted that the judgment of this court by which refusal of interim injunction in suit filed by other tenants was confirmed on 11/3/2008 in writ petition number 47111 of 2006 was a judgment which was based on concession of the petitioners of that case that they do not claim any title in the suit property. Lastly, it was contended that Nagar Nigam could not have handed over possession to the Allahabad Development Authority, nor Allahabad Development Authority has any right to dispossess the petitioners. It is contended that there is no title in favor of Allahabad Development Authority. Reliance has been placed on a judgment of the Apex Court in the case of Rame Goda versus M. Varadappa Naidu AIR 2004 SC 4609. Full stop. Thank you very much. Guys, there is one humble request. Again, I am requesting, if you want to increase your fluency and accuracy on steno, you have to just practice again and again whatever matter I am giving you. And there is one more request. If you found the matter is excellent, you can give your valuable comment on my YouTube channel, and also please subscribe my channel so that I can upload next audio for you. Thank you very much.